Welcome to the latest edition of Chase and Grandpa's Junk Food Taste Test. We eat the junk,
so you don't have to. What do we got now, Chase?
so we have Harry and David Pop Cinnamon Caramel. We got Harry and David Pop Butter Toffee. And we got Harry and David Pop Cheddar Cheese.
Yeah, okay.
I'm going to like the cheddar cheese for sure.
Okay. Let's try the cinnamon caramel first, right?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. That's pretty good.
I don't like it.
You do or don't? Okay. Okay. Ready for butter toffee?
Well, give me a second.
Just leave it on your plate. Okay, butter toffee.
I like it, but it's not that good. Now, cheddar cheese.
Cheddar cheese.
Go.
Okay, what's your least favorite?
One of those are it, and I guess it's butter toffee.
Okay, my least favorite is cheddar cheese. It's too dry. Okay, what's your second?
Cinnamon caramel.
Cinnamon caramel?
Yeah.
Mine is cinnamon caramel also. So that means your number one is cheddar cheese, and my number one is butter toffee.
Okay.
Well, we agree on the second one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What do you say?
Okay, see you later. Bye.
Bye.